Did you know Mark Cuban spent $30 million on what he calls earthquake protection, but it's actually a 40,000 square foot underground palace? While we're worried about rent, Silicon Valley's richest are secretly building luxury bunkers that make regular mansions look like tiny homes. These aren't your basic survival shelters. We're talking about underground worlds with 10,000 bottle wine cellars, movie theaters with $500,000 sound systems, and hydroponic gardens growing gourmet food. Reid Hoffman and the PayPal crew have coordinated bunker locations across multiple states, each stocked with decades of supplies and medical equipment worth millions. The craziest part? They have helipads disguised as tennis courts, secret tunnels to private airports, and security teams paid 6 figures to live underground permanently. Construction workers sign $10 million penalty agreements and are flown in from different countries, so no one knows the complete layout. Over $3 billion spent on these billionaire panic rooms, and most people have no idea they exist beneath our feet.